How to export Viber data to email. Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. This is Rose and without further ado, let's begin. First, open Viber app on your device. Make sure you sign into your account. Now tap the three-bar menu icon at bottom right corner and go to Settings. Now tap on Settings option and from this menu bar, select Account. Tap on Viber Backup at top of your screen. Now you need to simply tap on Account for Backup at bottom of your screen and simply choose your email address. To add a new email, you can easily tap Add Account and enter your email and tap OK. Now you simply need to enable Auto Backup. If you want, then you need to tap on the Backup Now at bottom right corner. Once completed, you can log into your email and download the attachment, access your Viber chat history or Viber data. So that's all for today. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.